Hi folks, it's Robert Earl out here at the Eco Ranch in far west Texas on a miserable winter day. Please, all you people up north, keep that weather up there. It's 54 degrees, the wind is blowing. Been out all day today doing some touristy stuff, and I have because I've got a visitor here. The visitor asked if he could come and do a video. He'd like to be in a video. He's also been very generous in donating some Portland to us, and his time and his friendship, which for all of which I'm very, very grateful. So my guest is here to help me install the French door in this frame here. Now hopefully we're all ready to do it. And here's my friend, so I can introduce you, Reuben Fletcher.
Reuben Fletcher from Corpus Christi.
From Corpus Christi. A little guy, but I think he can lift this thing up and we can get it in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring that French door in. Let this thing run while we put it in, and then I'm going to edit it, so if it chops up, that's it. It's cold. It's not going to be a long video for a change. Yay! But wait! Reuben and I went out and did some touring, and I'll get into that in a couple minutes. But I'm going to put the touring in this video so that you guys can get a look at some of the things you can do around here when you come to visit, because this is a great place, but the scenery around here is pretty nice too. So hang on, we'll be right back. All right, we're ready. Here we go, and the wind and the cold is the bother. So what I've done is I've caulked underneath for the threshold, and we're going to try to put this in. There should be 3/16 of an inch all the way around. Now, there should be, but, you know, Lord only knows whether I actually did it right or not. So let's give it a try.
Let's hope Freud don't kick my butt.
Ow, I tripped. I almost fell.
Good.
Yeah, I'm all right now. Put it on the rock. Sit. Your way. I'm over. I gotta go back your way. 3/16.
About all you'll get.
Okay, let's see where we are. Plenty of room. No trouble at all.
My top's in.
Okay, my top is in, but
We need to
we
go
gotta
bottom
lean it
first.
our way and get the bottom. So, yes. It better be tight if Conrad didn't teach me good. Conrad's my father-in-law, and he taught me good.
Well, we tap that bottom over.
And we're perfectly level on the door. All right, so we want to shim here. Okay, this shim will work here.
Yeah.
Yep. You got one more, you said. Okay. We do not need a shim on this side at all, but it does have to go in. And I would feel better.
You're hitting 2x4 in the back.
Feel better with that shim right there.
Yep.
The rest of these, so it.
Put some of my brute force on it.
Yes. Oh, beautiful.
There you go.
So now we got to tighten the door down. We've got the shims in. I don't know if you can see me. You can damn sure see Reuben. I've got the shims in, so what I'm going to do is put a couple of screws in on this side while Reuben holds that level. Flush, I should say.
Flush.
Flush. All right, so we'll do that. All right, that's one. Let's go right to the other side.
All right.
But take this one out too.
not bad. It's about maybe a 16th at the high spot. You want it more?
Well,
That's flush.
all right, I think questions to do that. Here you go.
Yep.
Good.
He's in. Now I gotta put in a few more, like on that second shim. That second shim loose, okay?
It's so cold, it's just breaking. That's a door. That's a door, my friend. That is a door.
Well, this one's fixed. It'll
Yep.
never open. That's, in fact, I'm happy because I had thought that it, I don't know what I thought. I didn't think it opened this way. There. It's gone?
Yeah.
You sunny beach.
That's pretty good.
Well, folks, the door's in. Thanks to Ruben's help. Could not have done it alone. This is a French door for the back door. It's going to open up onto the patio and the guest bedroom and the guest bathroom. I have a lintel yet to put on top of it, and I have to secure the top here, but that's for a warmer day. This is a miserable day. So I'm going to leave it like that. I hope you enjoyed watching two rookies put in a door. It's only like the 5th door I've ever put in my life. So anyhow, that's it for now. I am going to tag into this with some of the stuff that Ruben and I did today as far as tourists go. So that'll be starting like right now. And I hope you enjoyed that. Ruben and I had a lot of fun with it. And I'll see you at the next video. Happy New Year, by the way. It is the 29th of December. So Happy New Year to everybody, every one of you that's watching. Remember, if you need a deduction for the holidays, send me some money for Portland. We really, really need it. So until next time, it's Robert Earl and
Ruben Fletcher.
at the Eco Ranch saying see you later. So this is the original rock from the movie Fandango. And this is what carved were done inside the rock from the movie. Wanted to come and see this because it's his favorite movie, and I don't blame him. And of course, way down there is the Rio Grande River. The road coming up is a 16% grade. I hurried along so you can see that truck come up. was lucky, wasn't it?
Bottle right there.
Yeah, there is a bottle there. And if you've watched the movie, that's the jump that Kevin Costner made in the movie. And that scares the hell out of me. I wouldn't even think of it. Okay, Ruben is being crazy.